All year long, they have been dreaming of the day when they would unbox and crumple paper, all in the hope of getting their Christmas wish. That's the joy that this program by the Child Protection and Family Service Agency CPFSA brings to children in state care each year. The Grant a Wish program was created when the COVID-19 pandemic stopped the CPFSA's regular Christmas initiative, Take a Child Home. COVID safety rules meant the children could not leave to stay with families for the holidays. But the CPFSA still wanted to ensure that the pandemic did not dampen the Christmas spirit.
So what we decided to do instead was to create an opportunity for members of the public to help children in care enjoy their Christmas holiday by giving them a gift or responding to one of their wishes.
The program is part of the CPFSA's mandate to help children in state care experience a sense of normal family life.
Whether it's a toy or any other thing that they may have asked for, once they get it, they're usually elated. Sometimes they can't contain the sense of excitement and joy and so on. And of course, for the persons who are givers, the ones who make the sacrifice to give, they find a sense of fulfillment, a sense of, a kind of actualization in giving back.
So while getting your Christmas preparation done this season, the Grant a Wish program is a good opportunity to pause and remember the spirit of giving. The target is to respond to the wishes of 2,000 children.
You can just go to our website at childprotection.gov.jm/grantawish, and it will take you to the list of wishes. Or you can contact any CPFSA parish office or regional office. You can call us or you can visit, and you'll get a list of the gifts. You will see, for example, the initial of the child, the parish they're in, and the 3 wishes that they may have. And just choose and give something.
The program also reaches those children in foster care.
We also have children who are in foster care, who may not benefit from their own gift based on the needs and constraints and so on in the foster family. So we find that with the Grant a Wish program, we're able to help children who are in residential childcare facilities as well as those who are in foster care placements to benefit from a Christmas present. I think everybody enjoys getting a present around Christmas time. Enjoy getting a gift around Christmas time, and many children, it's something they look forward to.
The program is open to persons living overseas and corporate Jamaica. If you're interested in donating gifts, make drop-offs at CPFSA's regional offices by December 9. For cash donations, email info@childprotection.gov.jm for further details.
When a child is in care, that child is Jamaica's child. And I think all Jamaicans have a part to play in helping to make that child's life as normal as possible. So we want all Jamaicans, all well-thinking Jamaicans, to see this as a worthy and noble initiative to help a child. If you can't do it all the time throughout the year, Christmas is an opportune time to make a difference in a child's life.